All right, so today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new pair of Jordans, but before we get into that, make sure to like, subscribe, and also song of the day. I'm going to have to give it to Drake with Right Hand. And I've been listening to a lot of Drake recently because I've been watching Degrassi over again. The old one, obviously, it started coming out around when I was born, so it's really old. It's an amazing show, and Drake is obviously on it. You know, he got shot. You know, if you know, you know. Like, don't sleep on Degrassi, man. It's fire. But yeah, this is honestly one of my favorite Drake songs. It's really slept on, in my opinion. Like, I feel like a lot of people don't listen to it anymore just because it's older. But yeah, honestly, one of my favorite Drake songs. You guys should definitely go listen to it again. You guys probably already have. But yeah, let's get into the shoes. Okay, so this is the box that the Jordans come in, and as you can tell, they actually switched it up. They usually don't switch it up with new Jordans. Like, they rarely ever do it, but they actually did. And it isn't even like a regular Jordan 3 box. It's like I don't know, it's just like it's kind of like a Jordan 11 box, except they switch it up, obviously. And I actually got these for retail, $200. I paid around $217 with shipping and taxes. I got a size 9. I got them on the sneakers app, which was awesome. I rarely ever hit on the sneakers app, so it was cool to hit. Let me show you guys the bottom. Nothing too crazy. Red Jumpman. And I haven't seen these yet, so I'm super excited. The paper is basically the same color as that. And let me take these out, man. I'm so excited. These are fire, bro. Like, when I first saw images of these, I knew they were a must cop. They don't go for too much, so if you did miss out on sneakers app or just any other store in general, I suggest picking these up now because resale prices will rise eventually. It may take a little bit, but they definitely will rise. Right now, this shoe is actually going for around $230 to $250 depending on your sizes, which I do think is going to lower maybe in like the next month. It might go down to retail, which is $200, maybe $220, but over time I would say maybe 6 months to a year, these will definitely be $300 plus, which is a lot of money. So if you want them now, I suggest picking them up because these are really nice. Obviously they're not the fire reds, but you know, it's a close second. Like, would I rather have these or the fire reds? I would definitely 100% have the fire reds, but I can't pick those up now, so these are a close second. And let me just spin them around for you guys. Oh shit, I don't know if you can see that. My pair has like, oh, all right. It was just like a little piece of jean material. That was weird. Okay, so getting into it, I don't know if you guys saw that, but on the inside of the sock liner, mine is like kind of messed up. It's like all wrinkly and stuff, which is weird. That usually never happens. It's definitely a different sock liner than regular Jordan 3s. It's like soft and everything, so you guys should be fine. They do look comfortable and everything. Material wise, this leather is super soft, man. Really good materials, really soft. This will definitely crease really bad if I'm being honest. Like, look, I didn't even do anything. I'm just like touching it like that and it's already kind of getting creased, which kind of sucks. But yeah, materials are really good. The denim, you know, it's denim. Like, I don't really know what to say about it. Like, it's denim, it's good. If you look at it closely, it's not gray. It's like a really, really, really dark blue. It's kind of like, it's a little bit darker than this. I don't know if you can tell from pictures. I actually thought it was gray, but it's actually blue. You probably won't be able to tell in cases unless it's like under like a light like this. But you know, if you're like outside or something, nobody's really gonna notice, to be honest. Especially like nobody's gonna go up to your shoe and be like, hey, you're not matching. Like, that doesn't really happen. But yeah, also on the back tab, you can see it has that Nike Air, and for the first time ever they actually put a Jumpman. I don't know if you can see it too well. That's the first time they've ever done that, and honestly, I could definitely see them doing that a lot more just because this release went really well for them. Usually when like a Jordan does really well and they do something new about it, they do it a lot more often. One thing I could tell you is like this, the leather going all the way to the top and not having the sock liner show a little bit. That was one thing that they did a little bit ago, and now they keep doing it on the Jordan 3s. So to be honest, I would not be surprised if they did this again on other Jordans in the future. Maybe not this year, but maybe next year. They probably will be doing that. And the denim, obviously that's another thing, because they had denim Jordan 6s, denim Jordan 4s, and like a bunch of other stuff like that. So that's nothing new. The only thing I don't like about the shoe has to be the bottom. And I saw a bunch of pictures of this shoe, and it's just the bottom that I don't like. It's pure white, which obviously it looks nice. Like, I'm not saying it looks ugly or whatever, but when you wear these, and I'm planning on wearing these, the bottom is going to be trashed, man. Like, this is gonna look dirty as shit. Like, it's gonna be so like brown, like black. Like, if they would have done like, I don't know, a black bottom, it would have looked so much better in my opinion, and it just would have made this shoe so much cleaner. But you know, obviously there's nothing you can do, and in reality you're not really gonna see the bottom, you know, in everyday use. So it's just annoying. That's something I hate. I did see a couple other people not liking it as well, but that is just a nitpick in my opinion. Let me show you guys the inside. Nothing crazy. It's just a regular pair of Jordan 3s, which isn't a bad thing. Jordan 3s are one of my favorite Jordan models, so I'm really happy I was able to pick these up for retail. And let me actually show you guys the insole. Looking at the insole, you can just see it's all white with just a little bit of red. And let me know what you guys actually think about these Jordans. Like, I think they're super clean. Definitely a must cop and a personal for me. And yeah, let me actually show you guys these shoes on feet. Okay, so this is how the Jordans look on feet, and on feet they just look even better, man. I'm so happy I was able to pick these up. These are super clean, and in case you were wondering, I just put the laces on the inside. So yeah, if you see that, don't worry about it. But yeah, these shoes are super fire, man. Let me just stand up and show you guys what they look like. And this might be an unpopular opinion. I think these are so much better than the UNC pairs that came out earlier this year. These just are super clean. Let me know what you guys think about them. Materials are amazing, by the way. The leather is super soft on feet. Sock liner is really nice, and genuinely just a really well done pair of Jordans. And again, like, would I rather have these or the fire reds? I would 100% rather have the fire reds, just because those are such an iconic colorway. But these are amazing. I legit can't say it enough. I'm super happy I was able to pick these up. I might just even wear these like today and just say like, fuck it. I wore my Ultra Boost, but these are so much better, man. Let me know what you guys think. Did you guys pick them up? Did you guys get them for retail? I did see a couple people that took L's, which if you did, that kind of sucks, man. Let me show you guys the back tab. Like, super clean. In reality, you're not really gonna see that Jumpman, but it's just cool having it there, I guess. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about these Jordans. Did you guys pick them up? Did you get them for retail? Are you paying resale for them? And do you guys think this is like one of the best Jordan 3s that came out this year? Just let me know what you guys think about them. And yeah, if you watched the entire video, thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and bye.